Welcome back to the channel for July the 3rd, 2018. It's a Tuesday here after a long weekend in Canada today. So we had an extra day off. It was a very, very hot weekend here in southwestern Ontario. But I did manage to get a bit of work done on the ongoing work with the TIE Interceptor. As you can see, I've got the solar panels, solar wings, whatever you want to call them, completed. I did a write-up on the website as well. Overall, I'm very impressed with the kit so far. The fit is just unbelievable. It definitely says it can be a snap-tight kit if you want it to be. And it's working really well. See if I can get this into focus. There we go. So, yep, I've got the basic assembly there. They both have worked out well. I ended up not painting originally. I painted all the side panels and the main spars and stuff like that. But the blaster cannon and one little part here, I had missed painting. So in the end, I used my Sotar 2020 airbrush just to paint those ones in. Excellent tool for this because the spray pattern is so fine that I was able to do this actually without having to mask the other black solar panels there. So that worked out very well. As I said in the write-up, I'm using Tamiya light gray XF66. Just a reminder, however, don't use the cap color for your color match. You're better off going with giving it a shake and looking what's underneath. It's not going to be perfect. As you can see, it darkens up a bit, but I'm really pleased for when I continue on with the washes and weathering and stuff like that. I've also started work on the very Spartan cockpit, and being an Imperial fighter, it's a very uniform color, namely black and more black. There's a little bit of blues and grays which I've added. I've put the Imperial decals on. I'll just see if I can get you some better light. There we go. They're very tough to see. Let me just do this, and you can see there, barely comes into focus. So yeah, these it's working out okay. There we go. See, it's so black it even has trouble focusing. Anyway, it's working out okay. I want to do a little bit more here. Although most of it, to be perfectly honest, gets hidden once you put the cockpit assemblies on. There's actually a tub that goes within the fuselage here. So that'll be the next part, building up the fuselage, the cockpit, and stuff like that. So, but overall, very simple build. It's going together quite well. So looking forward to moving on. So that's the quick bench update. As always, don't forget to subscribe at the button you see. And thank you and be well.